Your fridge beeps at 2 a.m., your washer stalls at 10%, your oven decides pizza night is optional. Classic pain, lost time, mystery error codes, looming repair bill. Here's the twist. You can fix most of this without waiting a week for a technician. Virtual appliance repair. Telemedicine for your home. Here's how it works, start to finish. Step 1. Triage. Open the app or website and enter your model. Enter the symptom. Describe what it's doing, or not doing. System checks a database of faults, recalls, firmware issues. Instant fixes pop up, like a control board reset or a clogged filter. Step 2. Guided diagnosis. Start a live video call. Your camera is the tech's eyes. Show the control panel. Show the hose connections. Show the filter door. AR overlays highlight exactly where to press, or where to twist, or what to remove. No guessing. The screw is highlighted. Step 3. Smart tests. Remote diagnostics pull error logs and sensor data, water flow rates, temperatures, door latch status. If not connected, run simple checks, self-test. Listen for a click, feel for vibration. Goal, pinpoint failure in minutes, not days. Step 4. Fix or parts. Clean the drain pump filter, reseat a loose connector, recalibrate the door sensor, update firmware. If a part's needed, tech confirms the exact SKU on the call. They order it to your door. They schedule a follow-up. Sometimes a pre-programmed part arrives. Swap and go. Step 5. Safety net. If it's risky, live voltage, gas, sealed systems. Session flips to in-person with diagnostics ready. No second guessing when the tech arrives. No repeat visits. Why this beats the old way? Faster. Most virtual fixes same day. Cheaper. Pay for minutes, not miles. Smarter. Data-driven troubleshooting. Greener, fewer truck rolls, less waste. Washer won't drain. AR leads to the coin trap. You pop it. Hairpin removed. Fridge warm, but freezer cold. Run a defrost test. App finds a stuck fan. It cues the exact fan motor. Oven throwing F3E2. Remote update clears a sensor glitch. What you need: a good phone, camera, decent Wi-Fi, your model number, and light. Bonus, the manual helps, but the tech usually has it. Don't DIY with burning smells, sparks, gas, refrigerant lines, or sealed panels. Book the pro.